Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare mint versus Pudina. Let's dive into their distinct characteristics and common uses. Mint is a general term encompassing many aromatic herbs, while Pudina is a specific type of mint, often recognized as spearmint. We'll explore their botanical relationship, flavor profiles, and how they are utilized in different culinary traditions and for their health properties. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right herb for your needs, whether for cooking or wellness. Let's explore the botanical distinctions between these refreshing herbs. Mint is a broad genus, mentha, encompassing over 15 species. Peppermint or Mentha piprita is known for its high menthol content, giving it a strong, cooling sensation. Pudina or Mentha spicata is spearmint, characterized by its milder, sweeter flavor and lower menthol. These differences in chemical composition lead to their unique aromatic and taste profiles, making each suitable for different applications. Now let's talk about how these herbs shine in the kitchen. Peppermint, with its intense, cooling menthol, is a star in sweet applications like chocolates, chewing gum, and herbal teas. Pudina or spearmint offers a gentler, sweeter, and less pungent flavor, making it perfect for savory dishes. It's a key ingredient in Indian chutneys, raitas, and refreshing beverages like mojitos. Both are versatile, but their distinct flavor profiles guide their best culinary uses. Beyond their culinary appeal, both mint and Pudina offer impressive health benefits. Peppermint is well regarded for its ability to alleviate digestive discomfort, headaches, and even nausea, thanks to its high menthol content. Pudina, or spearmint, also supports digestion and possesses anti-inflammatory properties, often used to soothe respiratory ailments. Both varieties are packed with antioxidants, contributing to overall wellness and providing a refreshing, invigorating aroma that can uplift your senses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.